With Mother's Day right around the corner, now is the perfect time to prepare your print-on-demand store with gifts that any mother is sure to love. No matter the style or age of your mom, jewelry is always a classic and timeless gift idea. And yes, you can now personalize jewelry gifts with print-on-demand with the help of Awkward Styles. You can customize options for the cards and boxes that come with the jewelry, making the gift even more special. You can choose from a variety of jewelry options such as necklaces, bracelets, and earrings, and add a personal touch by leaving a special message on the card. This is a perfect way to show your mom how much you care and give her a beautiful and meaningful gift that she can wear daily. In this video, I'm going to showcase a few of the jewelry options you can find at Awkward Styles, as well as the 3 different types of boxes you can order them in. And I'm going to show you some examples of cards you can create by using our mockup generator. Before we dive into some of the different jewelry options you can sell in your POD store, you might be wondering, why sell POD jewelry? Well, first off, they have a higher perceived value than other POD products. And because of this, you can also expect to get higher margins. For instance, you can sell a custom mug originally priced at $7.75 for up to $15 and make a profit of $7.25. But if you sell a necklace with a custom card originally customized for $15 for $50, you're looking at a profit of $35. Apart from their perceived value being higher than most customizable items, stylish and personalized jewelry pieces hold a special place in people's hearts. They're one of a kind. Picture this. You open a box to find a stunning piece of jewelry, and behind it is a card with a heartfelt message from your significant other. Or maybe it's a quote from your grandmother that she used to say all the time. Regardless of what it is, the message is clear. This piece of jewelry was made just for you. This type of personalization is what sets print-on-demand jewelry apart from other types of jewelry on the market. With the rise of social media, people are increasingly looking for unique products that they can share with their friends and followers. This creates the perfect opportunity for you to offer personalized jewelry to your customers. So, with the help of print on demand, you can express both your creativity and your love for your mom with personalized and customized Mother's Day jewelry boxes that she will surely treasure. Now in this video, I'm not going to go in too deep over the process of customizing your jewelry boxes or show you how to sell them in your online store, as we already have a quick 8-minute guide as well as a full 2-hour course going into all the nuances of how you can do this up at our YouTube channel. So if this is something that you're interested in, I encourage you to watch our guides to help you get started. In this video, I'm going to show you some examples of ready-made jewelry boxes that you could be selling right now in your online store. I'm going to start off showing you our textured magnetic boxes. This is the cheapest of the 3 box options, but it is still elegant in its simplicity, and it does the trick to present and keep your personalized gifts safe. It is meticulously crafted with a paper exterior exuding sophistication, and the interior features plush velvet and sponge lining, providing a stylish and protective home for your jewelry. Next, we have the brown leather box, made with a durable PU leather exterior with a soft touch finish, providing a luxurious feel. Consistent PU leather interior adds elegance to the box. Finally, we have the LED box, which is a contemporary wood box crafted from glulam wood, featuring a soft PU leather interior. The built-in LED light adds a stylish illumination to showcase your jewelry. Now, onto some of our jewelry options to give you an idea of what you could be selling in your POD store this Mother's Day. In these first boxes, I have some bracelets. Specifically, the baseball charm bead bracelet and the faith cross bead bracelet. These feature a 2.25-inch diameter, providing a perfect balance of style and flexibility for effortless wear. And they are thoughtfully designed as an elastic bracelet, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for various wrist sizes. Besides the baseball charm, you can also find a basketball and football charm, perfect for sports lovers to showcase their passion for their favorite sport. You can offer these with a selection of different sports-themed items to even boost your sales and your average order value. Next, let's move on to some necklaces. In front of me, I have the Two Lovers Interlocked Hearts necklace and the Sideways Cross necklace. Both of these are great options to give to a significant other or to a loving mother. The Interlocked Hearts necklace is especially romantic with its high-quality stainless steel chain and beautifully embellished pendant with captivating cubic zirconia stones. All of our necklaces feature an adjustable cable chain necklace ranging from 18 to 22 inches, allowing for a customized fit that complements any neckline. Now, onto one of our newer sets, which is also one of my favorites, the Love Knot necklace and matching earring set. The beautiful Love Knot pendant is designed to shine with crystals and a cubic zirconia stone at the center. Complementing the necklace, a pair of 6mm cubic zirconia earrings with stainless steel earring posts, adding a touch of sophistication to any ensemble. Moving on. Alright, so sure, women might be the obvious choice when it comes to selling jewelry, but that doesn't mean you should limit your target market to just them. At Awkward Styles, we have also added some options for kids' jewelry. The kids' initial letter necklace is a popular choice for birthdays, holidays, and other special occasions. It not only serves as a stylish accessory, but also holds a sentimental value as a personalized keepsake. This star necklace is perfect for a little one who loves all things celestial, or those who always bring their A game, especially in school. These feature stainless steel pendants paired with a 12 to 16 inch adjustable stainless steel chain necklace, offering a perfect fit for young wearers. The message cards included in the interior of all of our boxes can be customized at Awkward Styles using our mockup generator, and they are digitally printed. Digital printing utilizes specialized printers to directly reproduce digital files onto various materials, providing efficient and high-quality results. It streamlines the printing workflow by eliminating the need for traditional printing plates, and it ensures impressive color accuracy, resulting in vibrant prints that faithfully represent the original digital files. This printing method excels at reproducing intricate details, making it ideal for various applications, from marketing materials to fine art prints. All of these and more are available at awkwardstyles.com. These jewelry options are one size fits all and come with one of the elegant boxes you see here and a charming customizable message in the interior. The price range for these varies by piece and by which box you choose, but you can find necklaces and bracelets in the textured magnetic box starting at $11.20 to $11.48 with the Pro plan. The brown leather box ranges from $15.90 to $19.85 with the Awkward Styles Pro plan, and the LED box ranges from $20.90 to $24.85 with the Pro plan. And that is all for today's review. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and let us know down in the comments what you think of these jewelry options and if you'll be selling them in your store this Mother's Day. See you next time.